It's Friday, day 163 of my daily updates. I'm thinking about 500 daily updates and thinking about, geez, that seems like a lot of daily updates. I've done 163 in a row now, and sometimes I think, why in the hell am I doing this? I look back over the previous week, it's a Friday, and I see some things that I've done, see some things I've gotten accomplished. But I think the old cliche, you've bitten off more than you can chew, I think is beginning to come into play. I don't know. I don't feel like I've made much progress. But then on the other hand, I look at what I've done and I think I'm making small steps toward the ultimate goal of getting back on the road. But it's very difficult, very hard. And for someone living on Social Security, like me, it becomes a daily struggle to figure out, okay, what am I going to do today to take a step forward and try to do what needs to be done. I've got some possibilities for remote work coming up, so that's a plus. That's a step forward. And I think my income will increase over the next coming weeks, so I'm not too worried about it. It's just that sometimes things move slow. So if you're considering van life, if you're considering getting on the road, the expenses, the income, the financing is a major issue that you need to think about. And I think perhaps, it's van life is living on the road is a lifestyle, and it's just life. Life is like that. It has its ups and its downs. It sort of flows. There are times when you're flush full of cash and you've got all kinds of ways to do what you need to do, and you can travel and you can, do what you want to do. And then there's other times when you have some maintenance costs, you have some expenses that come along, and unless you've got that emergency fund set up, you're kind of stuck until you take the time to raise the funds to get yourself out of the hole you're in. Well, the positive thing I've made this last week, a positive thing that I'm excited about, is the podcast that I'm doing twice a week. Tuesdays and Thursdays, I'm doing a podcast format. In lieu of doing a little conversational daily update like I'm doing, I actually sit down and prepare and pull together some information and do a podcast. And yesterday it took me about an hour, but I figured out how to get the podcast uploaded to Spotify and on Apple Music, and I'm on Amazon Music and on iHeartRadio. So basically, I'll be running my podcast on 5 different platforms. I'll, of course, be posting it to my YouTube channel, and I'll also be on Apple. I'll be on Amazon, be on iHeartRadio, and be on Spotify. Now, I'm not delusional. Everybody does a podcast. I mean, as I scan the parking lot here in front of the Lodge Poker Room in North Austin, and I see maybe 2 or 3 dozen cars, probably half of them have podcasts. So, it's nothing novel. But it's just another way of getting out there and expressing yourself. And I'm under no delusions. I'm sure there won't be that many listeners. There won't be that many people who will give a damn about my podcast. And it's the same way with YouTube. There's going to be people that could care less about my life and what I'm doing and my YouTube channel, but that's life. There's going to be people who will be interested in what you're doing and those who will not. And that's part of the growth as a YouTuber, is to get to the point where you understand that it's not all about you. It's about the viewer, and it's about giving them the ability, giving them the choice to either follow you or not follow you. And it's not personal. It's just life. But I also think, from a philosophical standpoint, that van life, living on the road, living out of your vehicle, doesn't necessarily mean you have to travel every day. You can settle down and you can relax and you can take some time and spend a week or two in one spot. You don't have to constantly be traveling. One way to save money is to stay put for a while. Find you a great spot that you want to stay in for a week or two and just set up camp and stay there. There's no problem doing that. That's about all I've got to share with you today. Stay with me through the weekend, and on Monday, we'll have our regular check-ins, our daily updates. And then next week on Tuesdays and Thursdays, I'll have 2 more podcasts hit the airwaves, and we'll go from there. We're just going to take it one day at a time, and so I hope you'll subscribe and stay with me and get in the comments. Let's start a conversation. Let me know what you're doing. If you're on the road, you're traveling around, let me know where you are, what's going on in your part of the world, and let me know what's happening. Because this is a two-way street here. This is a conversation. Go out and have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow.